Bunting.
That looks exactly like your illustration. That looks like Poo-Poo Boy from Chapter 2 of Baby's Good Day.
Baby Bunting came into this world just last week.
Now, everything is fully controlled by our computerized command center. Hiya, fellas!
And now go to crossover mode.
Okay, Richard, give me Baby Bunting vocal. What's your name, little girl?
Aaron. My name is Aaron.
Oh, what a sweet name. Give Baby Bunting a big hug.
And shoot her down.